Brandon Trevino here with Ruger Firearms, and I have something new to show you. This is the LC Carbine, a completely new platform from Ruger with some really innovative features. We'll start with the name. The LC Carbine, that's light and compact. How light? It weighs under 6 pounds empty, with the weight comfortably balanced at the mid-receiver. Feeding through the grip allows the receiver to be very compact, and the side folding stock and fold down sights make it even more convenient for storage. The stock is reversible to fold right or left and adjustable for length of pull. The receiver extension will also accept aftermarket stocks, or the rear Picatinny rail allows you to attach your favorite Picatinny style stocks. The grip frame closely follows the Ruger 5.7 pistol and accepts the same steel magazines. The controls are ergonomic and ambidextrous, left and right manual safety, reversible charging handle, and an extended magazine release lever that can be swapped for a traditional magazine release button on either left or right. The carbine has a fluted, threaded, nitride steel barrel, aluminum handguards with M-lock slots on 3 sides for accessories, multiple QD cups for slings, and a full-length Picatinny rail for optics. Take lightweight, compact, and ergonomic and couple it with great balance and the low recoil of flat-shooting 5.7mm ammunition, and you have a very versatile firearm that's fun to shoot, can host all of your accessories, and fold for compact storage. So pack one up and take it home. You'll be glad you did. For more information on the Ruger LC Carbine, check out Ruger.com or your local firearms retailer. And for more information on Ruger accessories, check out ShopRuger.com.